Morning students, how are you? I hope that all of you are very well and are enjoying this virtual learning. In today's GK class, we shall begin with the chapter number 7 of your books, Our India, which is given on page number 296. As you all know that India is a land of diverse cultures. Similarly, there is diversity in our landforms as well. So, we will be discussing about the geographical divisions of our country, India, in this module. In your book, it is given in the form of filling the blanks. So, let's discuss it one by one. The very first one is the areas in the northern India Gangetic dash are very fertile, and the answer is plains. In the figure number 2, light green colored is the northern India Gangetic plains, where there are many rivers that run through the northern plains, and the alluvium deposited by these rivers make the plains fertile. Next is the very dry area that lies in western India is called the Thar dash. Answer is desert. Thar desert is also called the Great Indian Desert. It stretches from the Rann of Kutch in Gujarat to the borders of Haryana. Third is the highest mountain dash in India is Kanchenjunga. Students, all of you know the answer. We have already done it in mixed bag. It is peak. The highest mountain peak in India is Kanchenjunga. Fourth, the dash of flowers is situated in the Chamoli region of Uttarakhand. Answer is valley. Yes, the Valley of Flowers. The UNESCO's World Heritage Site is situated in Uttarakhand. Fifth, the Sundarbans dash is located at the mouth of the river Ganga as it reaches the Bay of Bengal. And the answer is delta. Delta is a landform created at the mouth of the river by depositing sediment that is carried by the river. Delta consists of several distributaries. Sixth, the slow-moving river of ice in India is called the Siachen dash. So the answer is glacier. The northern mountains consist of 3 ranges, and the first one was the Greater Himalayas, in which glaciers are located, which keep it cool throughout the year. The Vular is the largest freshwater dash in India. Its answer is lake. Yes, my dear students, Vular Lake is the largest freshwater lake in our India, which is situated in Manipur, the northeastern state of our country. The southern part of India is a dash. So the answer is peninsula. Yes, India is a peninsula that is covered with water on all the 3 sides. Next is the tableland in South India is called the southern dash, and the answer is plateau. Plateau is a high land that has a flat upper part. So southern plateau are also called the peninsular plateaus. 10th is the mountain along the western coast of India are called the western dash. So the answer is Ghats. Western Ghats. Next is the fact zone. The Lakshadweep Islands in India are coral islands. As you all know that there are 2 islands of our country, Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep Islands. Lakshadweep Islands lies in the Arabian Sea, and it is a group of 36 islands. This island is formed by the depositing of corals. Students, Learn the fact zone very nicely and learn all the 10 blanks in a very nice manner. Happy learning. Thank you all.